Bobcat MaxControl remote operation provides control of Bobcat equipment functions and attachments remotely from your iOS device. Make sure to review the operations and maintenance manual before operating any Bobcat equipment. To view the Bobcat MaxControl safety instructions, navigate to the Machine List menu on the app and select Safety Instruction in the bottom center of the app screen. To operate using the Bobcat MaxControl app, be sure the following items are complete. The machine key switch must be off. The seat bar must be in the raised position. The cab door must be fully closed. The yellow radio remote identification tag must be installed. Make sure there are no bystanders in the area. Please note, remote operation is not available if the machine requires a password to start the machine. Turn on the loader ignition switch or press and hold the button inside the rear door of the machine to power up the module. The brightness of the LED on the module on top of the loader will slowly increase and then decrease again when the device is powered up. This indicates you can let go of the button or turn the loader ignition switch off. Once the module is powered up, it will stay powered up for 4 hours after the machine has been shut off. The device may shut off earlier to preserve battery capacity in the machine. If the module LED is off, the power-up process will need to be repeated. Open the Bobcat MaxControl app and log in. Be sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have cellular connection in order to log in. To log in, open the app. Be sure you have a Bobcat user account. If not, select Sign Up. Otherwise, select Log In. This will redirect you to the Bobcat user login site. Enter your Bobcat user email or username and password. Then select Login. View available machines. When the module LED blinks once every 2 seconds, it is ready to connect to the app. Select the machine you wish to operate. A check mark will indicate the device is connected to the machine. Press Operate on the available machine screen. The module LED will switch to a double blink every 2 seconds and the lines on the remote screen will begin to pulse once you open the remote. To start the engine, tap the power button, tap the engine crank button, slide the engine crank icon completely to the right and wait 5 seconds until the engine starts. The horn will honk twice prior to starting. The module LED will change to a rapid blinking. Press the Gauges button to check machine parameters such as fuel level, battery voltage, as well as engine oil pressure and coolant temperature. To engage the parking brake, select the menu button to the left of the Start button on the remote screen. Press the parking icon in the bottom left of the slide-out menu until it highlights. Press again to disengage the parking brake. Use the RPM slider button to control the engine speed. Slide the button to the left to decrease engine speed. Press the Operate button to unlock the lift, tilt, and drive functions to begin operating the loader. The left joystick controls the drive and steering functions. Place your thumb on the control and the joystick will center around it. Move your thumb forward or rearward to drive the machine forward or rearward. Move your thumb to the left or right to steer the machine. The right joystick controls the lift and tilt functions. Place your thumb on the control and the joystick will center around it. Move your thumb rearward or forward to raise or lower the lift arms. Move your thumb to the right or left to tilt out or roll back the attachment. Press the horn button to honk the horn on the machine. To stop the machine, fully lower the lift arms and place the attachment flat on the ground. Reduce the engine speed to low. Press the Stop button in the middle. In an emergency, press the red and yellow Remote Stop button located in the upper right-hand corner to immediately stop the machine. In an emergency, the Emergency Stop E-Stop button can also be pressed on the back of the loader. For more information on the Float button, the auxiliary hydraulic buttons, or speed management buttons, please reference our Attachments and Advanced Controls video. The menu button will access controller settings, parking brake, work lights, power bob attach for properly equipped R-Series loaders only. See the Advanced App Features video for additional information. When you want to leave the Bobcat MaxControl app, navigate to the Machines list by pressing X on the remote control screen and select the settings icon in the top corner of the screen. Then select Log Out from the list.